You could stop at 5 or 6 different stores. Or just one. That's what gets you the fucking roll. They know you got emotion. I actually jumped. I'm so far away. I'm all the way back here. I went like, yeah! How loud was that? Was that loud? It got me? It did? What did I do? You were coming for us. Was that really that bad? That actually made me jump. You charged at us. I don't know, it was that bad. You scared the shit out of me. I jumped. Oh, sorry, I scared you.